kind of dog is he?
Just no cracky.
What do you mean a cracky?
Just no mutt. Nothing to him. Perfectly harmless.
Kiss my son.
Ignore him. I want the dog.
You're not getting the dog.
Mom? Jeez, look at you.
Look, you're not getting in here.
Well, where else is she supposed to stay, Nan?
I don't care. She's not stepping in over this doorstep. The youngster you have with the man who's practically
You don't care about me one little bit, do you? You're just like Nan and everybody else. Sparky? Sparky? Shut up!
No!
See, Mitzi's behind on her practical work at school, and
What are you getting at?
Tuffy,
Bah.
what is this? You and me, are we like going out?
Girl.
You're not tough enough if you never were.
I'm not having no chew ass in this house now.
I hate you! Pretty up here.